Today we are discussing about prime numbers, composite numbers and co-prime numbers. Let us take a few numbers as an example and we will take them as in a chart actually. So heading is numbers. From those numbers we will going to find out the factors and the number of total factors of each number. That means number of factors. So from those factors we will discuss about these numbers. So let us take the numbers like 1 from 1. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5, 6, 7. Again, skip 12 and 16, suppose. So, what is the factor of 1? We can say that 1 times 1 means 1. That is, the factor of 1 is only 1. There is no any other factor. In case of 2, 1 and the number itself 2. So 2 factors. In case of 3, again 1 and 3. No other numbers are divisible by 3. So in case of 4, again 1, 2. 2 times 2, 4. That means again the number itself 4. 6, 1, 2 times 3. So 2 and 3 and 6, the number 6 itself. 7, again 7, only 1 and the number itself, because no other number exactly divisible in case of 6, 7. So in case of 12, 1, 2, 2 times 6, that means 3 times 4, again 3, you can say 3, 4, 6 and the number itself 12. And right now last 16, 1, 2, 4, 2 times 8 means 16, so 4 times 4 means 16, 4, again 8, again 16. No other numbers are exactly divisible. So number of factors we can write now like that way. In our first case it is only 1. So total number of factors of 1 is equal to 1. In case of 2, we have 2 factors. Number of factors 2. 3 also, 2 also. In case of 4, we have 3 number of factors. Here it is 4, 6. Again in case of 7, again number of factors 2. This time it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6. And here it is only 5. So those are the number of factors of each and every numbers that we have taken. So here you see only one has only one factor, that is the unique number, and rest of the numbers have at least more than one factors, like 2, 3 and 7. They have 2 factors. So again the rest of the numbers have 3, 4, 5, like that way. Let us discuss about the prime number. What are those numbers from that set? So prime number means the number, a number should be a prime number if it has only 2 factors, 1 and the number itself, then it is called a prime number. So here it is, you see, in case of 2 we have only two factors, that is 1 and 2. So 2 is the prime number. 3 again 7 here. If we find out more, if we take more numbers, then definitely we will get other values as well. So let us take 11 also prime number, 13, 17. All those numbers have only 2 factors, 1 and the number itself. That is why it is called a prime number. You see, rest of the numbers are odd except 2. 2 is the smallest, that is the smallest prime number. 2, that is even, and the rest of the numbers are odd. So that is the point. 2 is the smallest even prime number, and rest of the numbers are odd. Now if we have a number, which have more than 2 factors, then those numbers are called the composite numbers. So what is composite numbers? So composite numbers, a number is said to be a composite one if it has more than 2 factors. Like you see here, 4, then it has 3 factors, more than 2. In case of C, we have 4 factors, that means more than 2. Again 12 and 16, all of them have more than 2 factors. So those are even. We can take other odd composite numbers also, like 21 and 25. All those have more than 2 factors and said to be composite numbers. You see, all the even numbers should be composite numbers along with the other odd numbers, but except 2 is the smallest even number, which is the prime number. Otherwise rest of the even numbers should be composite number. So here you see another number series is there, that is called, okay, before going to co-prime number, let us take 1 has only 1 factors, so it is neither prime number nor composite number. The minimum prime number is 2, the minimum composite number is 4. So here you see another series that is called co-prime number. If we have a pair of numbers and they have only 1 common factor, that is 1, then that pair is said to be co-prime numbers. Let us take a pair, for example 3. All the prime numbers are to be co-prime numbers. 3 and 7, they are prime numbers. Okay, so 3 has factors 1 and 3 has 1 and 3, 7 has 1 and 7. So only 1 is the common factor. In that case, that pair is said to be co-prime number. We can take other numbers also which is not prime numbers. Let us take 14 and 15. They are not prime numbers, but still they are said to be co-prime numbers. So in case of 14, the factors are 1, 2 times 7, that means 2 and 7 and 14 itself. There are 4 numbers. Here it is 15, 1, 3, 5 and 15 itself. So 4 numbers. Here only 1 is the common factor, rest of are not matching. So 14 and 15, the pair is also a co-prime number. But in case of 14, 16, what will happen? Is it co-prime number? I think that not so. Let us check. 14 means already we have 1, 2, 7 and 14. And in case of 16, so already we have 1, 2, 4, 8. Already we have here 5 factors, that means 16. So here you see 1 and as well as 2, they are common factors for both of them, so it is not a co-prime number. We can take other pairs also, like it may be different. One is prime number, another may not be a prime number, like 4 and 5, or you can say 8 and 9. So those are the co-prime numbers.